Looks good? Here. I think that's it. Good job. There's no more. You can't eat the seasoning today. Mm-hmm. You can wash your hands. Want to wash your hands?
No. Yeah, cold. Cold.
Why do you want it cold? Here. Miss Camille Picasso? Hi, Camille.
Hi.
Tunde. No, use this one. Use this soap.
Oh, like this. Can I do it?
No, not yet, babe. I just want to make sure that everything gets fried.
It's on orange.
Yeah.
What kind of color is that?
What kind of color is what?
Orange and orange. It's drawn to orange, and it. What happened to that orange?
You're trying to figure out why it's orange? It's a seasoning.
Seasoning?
Yeah.
I don't like seasoning.
You just ate it out the bag. Go turn the water off. Are you burning yourself? Tunde, don't fall. Oh no, Camille. Oh yeah. Tunde, go get me a wipe. Camille, you are just getting. Oh, jeez. Don't put it on yourself. Go to the bathroom and wash your hands. Are you done?
Yeah.
Camille?